am Aryan Kumar and today I am going to show you two experiments based on density, and these experiments will be exciting. For this I will need 2 lemons and 2 glasses, and I am going to fill this 2 with water. And I will also need some salt. Okay, so now let me drop these 2 lemons in this water. First lemon, it drawn down. Okay, and I am dropping this lemon too. It drowned, it's normal. Now let me add salt in this glass. First let me take out this lemon from the glass. Now let me add salt. Now let me mix it. Mix it well so that it becomes a solution. Now let me drop this again. It floats up. Why does it happen? Okay, now let me give you the answer of this. This happened because of the density. Suppose if the density of the water is 0.99 and the density of lemon is 1, so these are almost equal. So this lemon will drown, and now the density of water is 0.99, but when I added salt the density increased. So for example, this density became 1.25. So and the density of lemon is 1, so it's 25 more, so it floats up. And this is my second experiment, and this experiment you will enjoy a lot. For this I will need a glass, honey, oil, a sponge, potato, a bottle cap and a nut. These are things, and I will need some water in it. Now let's add honey. Now let me add oil. See, the honey has sank to the bottom, the water is in the middle and oil is floating on the water. Okay, now let's add these things. Okay, first I am going to add this nut. It sank to the bottom, it sank down to the honey. Okay, now let's add this potato over the water. And now let's add this bottle cap. Now let's add this foam. It floats over the oil. Now let's understand why is it happening. See, at the bottom the nut has gone, and over the honey there is potato, and over the water there is bottle cap, and the foam was floating over the oil. Now let's understand why is it happening. Now I have shown you the previous experiments which I told you that it was because of density. Now for example, the density of water is 99 and the honey is 1.25 and the water is 0.50. Okay, so when we drop things, it It floats on the basis of the density. So the density of the nut is high, so it sank to the bottom. The potato is little less, so it floats over the honey. And the bottle cap density is more less, so it floats over the water. And the foam floats over the oil because its density is the least. I hope you like this. Thank you.